Hi all, welcome back to Dia's Beauty Blossom. I hope you all are doing great. And today I have a small haul of few orders I made online. Nykaa had sale, Christmas sale, so I bought very few products from them. And this is the box I've got. Let me just start with it. They actually launched Innisfree on their website. I don't have Innisfree store in my place where I stay. So I actually, I was so happy when I saw Innisfree on their website, and I thought I should really order stuff from Innisfree. So I got few sheet masks from them, and they had an offer of buy 5 get 5 sheet mask free. So I actually got 10 sheet masks from Innisfree, and also they had an offer if you buy certain amount you get some gifts. So I'll share it what gift I got. So I got 2 bamboo It's Real squeeze mask. These are bamboo masks and retail at 100 rupees each. So I got buy 1 get 1, and I got 2 sheet masks for Blackberry, and these are also priced at 100 rupees each. And then I got 2 sheet masks for Bija, and these are also 1+1. And I got 2 from Rose variant, and these are also 100 rupees each. And I got 2 for Strawberry. I gave 1 for my sister, and I have another one. So I got few for me, myself, my mom, and for my sister. So these are the sheet masks I have got. And because I have purchased a certain amount, I got this Innisfree Jeju Camilla hand cream. I love the packaging. I think it's their Christmas packaging. So this is retail 300 rupees, which I got it as free. So this is what it is. And also I ordered this blushed nudes from Maybelline. This is retailed at 899 rupees. I got on 15% discount, I believe. And I got so beautiful eyeshadows. I just used it today. This one. And these are all colors what I have. You can, these are 12 wonderful colors. I also have the applicator, the double-sided applicator for smudging and applying this eyeshadow. And I ordered the Lakme Rose Powder. This is for 140 rupees. They had 20% off. So, and also I got this Calabar Touch and Blush. This one. Let me open that for you. So this is how it looks. And I don't have the price of this. I'll put somewhere in the description box below. So it's very nice. You just have to dab it, and then you get the blush. So I love this. I have used it twice. And the next one I got from Nykaa is Lakme Iconic Curling Mascara. I really love this mascara. This actually gives you nice curl for your eyelashes. And I got the L'Oreal Superliner Gelmatic Eyeliner. This is in the shade Turquoise. Let me swatch it for you. I really love this shade. So this is the shade of eyeliner. I love this. This actually goes good when I have to do some party makeup. So I'll definitely try this one. So this is all what I've got in my Nykaa order. And then I actually ordered something from Amazon. They had an offer for the St. Divans London set of skincare, and it was retail of 1200, but I got this for 400 rupees including shipping. So let me just open this. And I love this packaging. You can gift it to anyone because the packaging is so nice. And I got these 6 skincare products, and I really love them because they're all very nice. You have a body moisturizer, body aloe vera gel, multani matti lotion, bath and shower gel, and tea tree face wash of 100 ml each. So that's really nice. For 400 rupees you get all these 6 products. So that's really nice deal. And the first one I have is St. Divans moisturizer. You can use it for body lotion. This is especially for winter edition. And the second one I have is St. Divans face wash, tea tree face wash. That's nice too. And the third one I have is ultra lightweight body lotion of aloe vera, almond oil, jojoba oil, and vitamin E. So this is the one. And the next one I have is a bath and shower gel. That's the Neptune Oceanic fragrance, I believe. And the next one I have is aloe vera gel. I really want to buy one aloe vera gel for my face packs, and also I think this will do that job. And the last one I have in this is Multani Mitti lotion. I think you can apply directly on your skin and make a pack of it. So this is the last one I've got. It smells nice. Yeah, it smells like Multani Mitti. So that's all what I have in this box, and I'm so happy that I got it in a good deal. If you also like it, I'll link it below in the description box. You can go and purchase this, and these are all 100 ml each. That's what I have got from Amazon, and also there is one free box which I received from rewards.me.in. You can also register it. The website is rewardme.in. You get some free samples. You can select them and you can get it shipped to your address without paying anything. And the best part is they ship very quickly. They say it takes 8 weeks, but I got it within a week. And I got one Pantene conditioner, Silky Smooth VK. That's a sample size of 35 ml conditioner. And I got one Whisper XL Wings. That's a sample pack. And I got one Ariel Matic 200 gram pouch. So that's nice. I just thought it's good because you actually get it for free. So that's a nice thing. If you also want, you can just go into the website, which I'll put the link below, and then you can just provide your details. And actually I think these are the only 3 samples they have currently from P&G, Procter & Gamble. So you can just put it in your cart and then check it out. You'll get that in a week or 2 weeks time. And the last shopping I did was Avon. I actually wanted to try their matte lipsticks. So Avon's matte lipsticks, I have heard a lot of reviews in YouTube. 4 matte lipsticks. Actually it's very nice. It's actually complete black. This is all matte finish from here to here, so that's really nice. And this is a lipstick. I really like the packaging. And this shade is 101 Mauve Matters. So this is the shade, and I really love this. This is a nude one. I like this one on my lips. One is 401 Vibrant Melon. So this is the shade Vibrant Melon. Let me swatch it for you. So this is the second shade, Vibrant Melon. Oh, it's so nice. It's so pretty actually. Is Ruby Kiss 301. So that's actually ruby red color. I actually am scared. I'm not sure. I feel red doesn't suit me, but this is a ruby red. But so I'm excited to try this one and see how it looks on me. So that's the third one I've got, and the last one I have ordered is 502 Au Naturale. I never tried complete nude ones, but I saw so many good images of my skin type people who are wearing these, so I thought I'll try this. And this is also very good as a base. So this is the last shade, Naturale. So I'm so super excited to try this all and do a review on these ones and try them. So these are the 4 shades I've got, the matte lipsticks. And this is a cherry lip balm from Avon. So this is like this, and it's a tinted lip balm, little tinted, a little cherry color. So I'm so excited to try this one. It's been a long time. I've never tried an Avon lip balm. And then I ordered one crack heel cream from Avon for my mom. Actually, trust me, Avon crack heel creams work best for cracked heels. And then I got this Avon Imari Seduction perfumed skin softener body butter, and it smells so nice, so nice. They actually have a Imari perfume. I have it, so I thought I'll pair this body butter with that perfume and it lasts for long. That's nice. So this is all what I've got. And then I got some gift from Avon. I got this as a gift, as this is a natural Ayurvedic whitening cream. So I got this as gift, and also I got this lipstick, which is Simply Pretty lipsticks. I love the Simply Pretty range. Let me swatch it for you. It's actually very light pink. I'm not sure if you can see this one, but this is the shade it is. and the shade name is Fresh Melon. So that's all what I have purchased from Avon for today's haul, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please like this video, and also if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to this video, and you have a small bell button beside the subscribe. If you actually click that one, you'll get notification whenever I upload a new video, and you can get notified on your phone as well. So thanks all for watching this video. Have a great day. Love you all. Take care.